So I'm starting a 30-day content challenge and today is day 1. Now, why would I do this to myself? Well, that's what I'm going to answer in this video. And honestly, I hope that this inspires or motivates someone watching this to maybe join the ride with me or do something similar. So I hope you stick around for the entire video. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts that I'm using for marketing and content creation, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for this in the description or pinned comment below. So before I explain why I'm doing this 30-day content challenge, I first want to lay out some rules that I can come back to and hold myself accountable. Now, rule number 1, for 30 days straight, it has to be one long form video a day, and each video has to be at least 4 minutes long. The reason I'm doing long form is I can use my AI video clone to just rip out shorts for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, etc. with ease. And if you want to know how I built my AI video clone, I'll leave that tutorial in the video description below. And the only other rule I have is that each video that I publish during this challenge has to provide value for you guys in some way, shape, or form. I'm not saying each video is going to be a Netflix premiere. And honestly, if you guys have been following my channel for a while now, you'll notice I don't have the fancy edits, I don't have the fancy cuts, the background music like a lot of other YouTubers do. I'm just kind of DIYing all of this and providing information that I find unique in a valuable and authentic manner. And obviously, the word value is subjective, as every content creator likes to claim that they provide value, but that's not the reality. So, all I'm saying here is that in every video that you guys watch of mine, I really just hope that you have one takeaway, one learning, one finding that you can apply to real world situations. So here are the reasons why I'm doing this 30-day content challenge. And reason number 1 is to simply challenge myself and help build a habit of consistency. I mentioned this towards the beginning of my video, but one of the hardest parts about being a YouTuber is consistently creating videos while maintaining a level of quality. And also, this will help me eliminate distractions. I can't tell you how many hours I'm on my phone, on Twitter, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, sometimes TikTok, emails, etc. And I think this challenge will really help me take a second look at my screen time and just minimize these distractions to focus on what actually moves the needle for my channel, personal brand, and business overall. And that leads into the second reason why I'm doing this challenge is it will pay long-term dividends, not only for this channel's growth, but also for my personal brand and business overall. One of my favorite things about YouTube is if you create high quality evergreen content, you can be getting views from that for years to come. So some of the videos that I'm going to create in these next 30 days will be evergreen topics. Now I know AI changes so quick, so it's hard to navigate that part of it, but they will be evergreen topics that ideally will get views for years to come. Now, another reason why I'm doing this challenge is it will improve my camera skills. Believe it or not, guys, I still get jitters every time I hit the record button and look at this camera like I am right now. So I think the longer that I do this consistently for 30 days in a row, and by the way, I don't script anything. A lot of this I just go off of bullet points and just kind of expand off the cuff. And I think the more that I do this, the more it will improve my camera skills and I'll feel more comfortable over time. Another reason why I'm doing this is it will help my organizational skills big time. There's a lot of days where I feel like I'm running around with my head cut off between running a marketing agency, trying to grow this YouTube channel, and then my personal life on top of that. I think if I can do this for 30 days in a row, it'll help me eliminate all the distractions, cut out the noise, focus on what matters and what actually moves the needle. This will help me better define a project management system. This will help me figure out what AI tools I can use more efficiently, what AI tools I should cut out. This will help me a lot more with outsourcing in my content creation process, maybe looking at outsourcing thumbnails more, video editing, the optimization, and other areas I can probably outsource to speed things up. I just think holistically, looking at this 30-day challenge, this is really going to help me from an organizational perspective. I also think about the confidence boost that something like this would give me. If I can do this for 30 days in a row, one long form video a day for 30 days straight, what else can I do? I mean, if you guys think about it, most YouTubers on here struggle to post one video per week. Most people struggle to post one video per month. Life gets in the way. I understand we're all busy. My life is busy. I have things going on. But if you can find the time and just push yourself to pull through in a challenge like this, it'll truly boost your confidence overall and help you in every other area of your life. So that is something that I'm really excited for, is a confidence boost from this. Now, lastly, the most important reason for me doing this 30-day content challenge by far is that my wife and my future children will thank me. Now, during these 30 days, my wife probably won't be the most thrilled, as I'm already a workaholic to begin with, but I think the potential rewards and opportunities that'll come from this 30-day challenge are something that can't be overlooked. Think about high quality sponsors that could potentially reach out to me and partner with me in the future. Maybe this would lead to a high quality podcast interview, speaking engagement at relevant conferences, affiliate deals, etc., etc. I just think the opportunities that could come from this after completing this 30-day challenge is something that I can't dismiss. And that is one of the biggest reasons why I'm deciding to do this in the first place. So now I want to challenge you guys. If you want to join me on this 30-day content journey, I would be thrilled. But if not, even if you just want to do something on your own terms, maybe that's 5 days, 7 days, short form videos, I don't care. As long as we're taking action and building towards a bigger goal and getting better every day, that's really all I ask for. And that's why I'm doing this myself. And if you've made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. I'm excited to start this 30-day content challenge and just see what happens. And if you appreciate this, be sure to give me a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.